In this tutorial, I will show you how to use triggers and actions, also known as rule. This powerful feature allows you to perform specific actions when an event happens in your account or within your automation. For example, you can perform an action as soon as a new contact is created in your account. You can perform an action as soon as a customer places an order. You can perform an action as soon as the value of a custom field changes, and many more. Let us create a rule that sends a flow as soon as a tag is added to a contact. Let me show you. Let us create our rule. Now let's add the tag to a contact in the inbox and test our rule. As you can see, the flow we created was sent soon as we added the tag to the contact. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.